Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Sydney last night on the last leg of his three-nation tour. He will hold a bilateral meeting with Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that bilateral relationship between India and Australia is being nourished by fast-growing Indian diaspora, which is serving as a living bridge between the two nations. BPP today started its indefinite hunger strike in front of the Secretariat demanding review of the reservation policy. The banks across the country will start accepting 2000 rupee notes for exchange from today. In a circular, the Reserve Bank of India has directed banks to maintain data on a daily basis on the amount of 2000 rupee notes exchanged and the amount that has been deposited into accounts. Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that temperature in northwest India is likely to reduce by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius during the next few days.